Hello everyone, my name is Kit. Today I want to share something related to the Canon EOS R7. In fact, this camera I already got it for a while, but before the formal review of the camera, I want to share some issues I work with this camera with the IBIS system. And this issue, I think from now, is only happen on the ultra wide manual lens, such as the new Nowa 10mm f4 lens or the TT Artisan 11mm the Canon fish eye lens, and only with two lenses. Even if you already set the focal length to 10mm or 11mm, after setting the focal length, if you use it for the static photo shot using the general photographic mode, is generally okay. Is still a little bit shaky, but it's still very usable. Not a big problem when you are shooting photos. The big issue is in the video mode. When you recording video, even if you confirm that you already set the correct focal length, it's still quite shaky and make the image or make the video unusable. Just like what you're looking at right now is a 10mm recording video, or I take an India shot using the HDMI output to show how shaky it was. And what's interesting is if I use a longer focal length such as the Canon FD50mm f1.8 the Vantage lens, in this focal length, the camera video mode seems just looks fine. It's so strange. If I use the same lower 10mm f4 lens on the R5, of course you need to use the APS-C mode. You can, from the video now, you can see the stabilized inside the IBIS is just working very good without any issues. So I tried to contact the Canon support, but I think it doesn't really help. They just say that R5 and R7, they use the different sensor, different mechanism, so the IBIS performance is different. So there might be some compatibility issue about the main lens, and that's it. So I don't think I can do anything. In fact, I'm rather disappointed because R7 is a relatively smaller body and the performance is about, I can say, it's just good as the R5 in APS-C. So at first I'm thinking about I can use the lower ultra wide pancake lens in the R7, so I can use another standard lens on the R5, just two camera, and I can cover a lot of range and without bringing many lenses or many ways. But now I don't think this is workable. So anyway, thank you.